Good evening, everyone. Today we'll talk about research problem and question. A research problem is something which wants to study or solve. Being a research question help of now what's look for in or study is important to use a good research problem to but or research useful and easy to understand. I will share to use good topic how to write question for research. Research problem and research question are understanding the foundation of a research study. What is a research problem? A research problem is a issue or considered but need to be addressed through research and define a gap in knowledge or a real world change is the direction for the research study. Characteristic of a good research problem: clear and specific, reasonable, can be studied, use method, relevant and importance simply to investigate. Example of a research problem topic: physical media and academic performance. Research problem: many students spend several hours on physical media which might affect their academic performance. However, it's unclear how strong the effect is what aspect of her performance are most affected. What a research question? A research question are effect question you want to answer is your study as why can your investigate and the data collection. Why are based on the research problem. Characteristic of a good research questions are clear the concise, answerable, trust data based on if respect use and did on the research problem. Research questions are based on the physical media and academic performance. Problem number 1. How many hours did two students spend of social media? Number 2. What is a relations between physical media with a student grades? Number 3. Does a physical media use affect time management among students?